Hi, Ken Vance again at Salamander Pumps with another little top tips video. This time we're looking at the filters within the shower pump. One of the common calls that we get in our technical department is a pump that's either a little bit slow to activate, or it's been in for a little while and it's stopped coming on as quick as it should do, or it isn't coming on at all. The first thing to check with that is that the inlet filters haven't blocked up on the pump. They shouldn't do. Most of the time your cold water tank should be nice and clean, but there are times that a little bit of debris can wash through into the filters. Very easy to sort it out. Turn off the inlets, make sure you turn both inlets off. Unscrew the inlet hose, and inside the inlet hose you'll have a little filter washer which is kept captive. Give that a bit of a clean under a tap, stick it back in and you should be good to go. So when it comes to the inlet filters, our HomeBoost is exactly the same. First thing to do, just knock off the water going into the pump, take off your inlet connection, the flat face nut, slide the pump out, and you've got a little filter washer in there. Give it a clean, pop it back in and everything again should be good to go. And don't forget you can visit us at salamanderpumps.co.uk or you can tweet myself at salamanderken.